Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Roblox from crashing on mobile. And I'll guide you through every simple step so you can play smoothly without interruptions. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your phone's options and apps are managed. Then scroll down until you see the Apps option and tap on it to open it up. This is important because we need to access Roblox specifically to manage its settings. Step 2. From the Apps menu, either scroll down or use the search bar to find the Roblox app and open it. Opening the app from this menu allows us to adjust its individual settings, which can fix performance issues like crashing. Step 3. Once you are in the Roblox app settings, scroll down to find the storage option and tap it. Here you will see options to clear both the cache and data. Clearing these removes temporary files and corrupted data that might be causing the app to crash. Step 4. After clearing the storage, go back to your home screen and press and hold the power button along with the volume down button. From the options, select restart and confirm it. Restarting your phone refreshes the system and ensures the changes take effect properly. Once your phone is back on, open Roblox and check if the crashing problem is solved. Step 5. If the app is still crashing, it might be due to an outdated version. Go back to your home screen and open the Play Store or App Store. Use the search bar to find Roblox and open its page to see if an update is available. Step 6. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If there is no update, or the problem persists, you can uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. After reinstalling, log into your account and your game should now run smoothly without crashing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.